Welcome to the endless bull run. Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun.
Good morning. Let's trade some Bitcoin. Let's trade some NASDAQ. This price action's been an ass.
Endless bull run, Sam's on the screen, calling those ticks like a money machine. TD rates fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bit he did. Endless bull run chart in his hand. Zoom out fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips.
Michael's wall today.
TD rates fractal in his head like a pledge. Break up structure, we jump off the ledge, then it wicks back up and we still feel blessed. 1 minute trader, heart rate danger. 50-minute thinker, swing trade ranger. 4-hour chef, let it simmer in the zone. Dutch oven hot, he just calls it home. Oh yeah. It's time to go long. This time it can't go wrong. I just told you, and it has been so long.
Hope everyone had a good weekend.
Since I watched the Dutch oven tutorial, so you know what to do. Wait, what? No, not the Dutch oven. Slow cook accumulation, changing state of delivery. He talk like a wizard. Draw a box, tap the zone, bulls growing bigger. Break of structure line, price snaps like a breadstick.
What's up, Will? I'm just sitting here jamming too.
Changing state of delivery. He's calling every plot twist. 1 minute candles racing, 15's laying out the plan. 4 hours slow cook patience. Dutch oven for the diamond hands. Ooh, yeah.
Okay, let's see what's going on today. Posted my levels already for NQ, so let's take a look at. Let's take a look at Bitcoin.
There was a break of structure, a change in state of delivery. 1 minute fake out, 15 cleans the noise up. 4-hour maps, the treasure map. Sam just laughs, same game, new day. BOS breaks, we scream, okay, okay. He says same shape, different ticker. Fractal fam, it just rhymes quicker. I'm deep red, still clicking.
Still in this daily bearish fair value gap.
Endless bull run, ride it too close. If it all rubs, that's how it goes. Dutch oven slow cook, everybody knows. Sam hits live and the bullishness grows.
This 4-hour looked good, right? Couple things. Change the state of delivery here. Inverted this fair value gap. do something like
live and
this.
the bullishness grows. Fractal snipers.
Oh no, this Iran war is
Like, subscribe, and share.
messing everything up.
Fractal snipers.
Trump speaking at 1.
Know that you care, like, subscribe, and share.
What's up, Busta? How's it going? This looks like it could be a continuation on the 1 if we get a close above here. We got 4 minutes. It doesn't look like it's going to close above there unless... So get a little pumpage right now. I'll mark it out for shits and giggles. Somewhere around here we want to see a break. Invert this, we could go. This was a negative news release. Iran told us to go screw ourselves on peace treaties, and they want 10 things done. I haven't read what it is yet, though. Yeah, well, very messy. We're doing good. Busta just trying to stay away from this price action, to be honest. I don't know where Bitcoin's going. It's just in this friggin' range forever. Hope you all had a good Easter, if that's what you celebrate. Snow willow. I think just the snow bankings from plowing. Some left. Yard's clear. How about you? My little artificial frog pond is still kind of frozen. I actually scratched that. It melted overnight. It was snowing this morning. Not heavy, just flurries. NQ looks like it wants to pump while Bitcoin looks like it... I meant wants to dump while Bitcoin looks like it wants to pump. Looks like it wants to draw down here to London low. It's being held up here. I don't know. This is just chop crap. Watched too many traders get wrecked this morning. The only really good trade was right about here. I didn't take it though, obviously. I think I was making breakfast at this point because I didn't like any action. We'll go over it a little bit here. Easily give you 1 to 2, yeah. Came up, swept London high. Broke structure a couple times. Changed state of delivery. Get in on this candle. I mean, that's the safest one, right? Can't do that though. Could do here. I don't think you get 2 to 1 on that one though. My aim would have been all the way down here though. Would have made sense. 2 to 1. I went 1 to 2. came close. But then keep it tighter. You can go above. Well, you could go above this one because this could technically should have been a breakaway. But that wick right there would have been the safest, I think. That's what I was looking at, but I was looking at after it already done what it was going to do. Then I walked away, and then it just chopped. Because this very well could have not fallen all the way down here too. This could have bounced off the support here. Now we're just in the middle of the London range. There's 87 there. Kids spent Easter in the pool. Busted. That's one way to do Easter. It was raining here all day. Sup, Wild Deuce? Buster Red Yours, it does look like this. All looks like a trap both ways, right? Oh, Mario X took that trade. I was literally just talking about. I'm in Discord now. Nice job, Mario. Yeah, and so did you, Busta. You all took that trade. It's almost like we all play the same strategy. I think it's trying to make a middle finger here, right? We got... The market has given us the finger, guys. I don't think that's a good sign. It's a complex head and shoulder FU. It's even an AI finger. We got 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, 5 finger, 6 finger. I'm not interested in this at all. We're just stuck in the middle of London range. Bitcoin is probably the same way, but this is just a stupid eval. This is a funded over here. Just one funded, not copy trading. Unbelievable barcoding. Let's go look at something different. Well, I guess gold's doing the same thing. Everyone's waiting for Trump at 1 o'clock. Everything looks dumpy. Everything looks dumpy. For our bear flag. Could have some fun today if you guys have anything you want me to look over. I haven't looked at Fartcoin yet. Fartcoin to the moon. This candle 2 failed here. That was good. Fartcoin's already closed above that 4 hour that we're looking for on Bitcoin. I'll look on the daily and the 4 hour. Wanted to close above here. Close above here though. Oh no, it's on the same thing. I wanted to get up here. Okay. At least short-term chop bullish on that. Order block. It's holding. Rather have seen that come back down to this fair value gap, but it didn't. Fartcoin is the leading indicator. Fart value gaps. Fart value gaps. Oh my god. That's funny. Now we're gonna have to start calling that on Fartcoin anyway. I think we can chop for the next 2 hours. Is that what we're gonna do? Four hour getting bearish here. Before it just started an hour ago, though. Holding up. No need to push anything on days like this. Really hasn't presented much. Seems like everybody and their brother caught that one though. I saw a lot of people get trapped here. Just swept. Swept that low and then took off. People are playing this as a continuation, which would kind of make sense if it had swept London high. This would have been a better, more probable continuation here, down to sweep London low. But as you can see, it's not offering any continuation, but it's quite a big range. .200 range. It's a Timmy football. Oh wow, Deuce! It's a ongoing meme on the channel. I won't do a deep dive into Farcoin. We have a Dutch oven strategy. I don't know, maybe if you got burnt on it while Deuce, and I didn't want to pick any wounds. A pink eye outlook. It's hilarious while Deuce. Okay guys, where it's going. Give me a trade. Give me a trade on Bitcoin, I'll take it. Chat trade. Not that anybody wants to say anything at this point. 20 points long on NQ. I don't have an eval, so I'm not gonna do NQ. Looks like it's gonna work though. Now I'm FOMOing. Now I'm FOMOing. Need to get to about there. Yeah, let's just we can all practice sitting on our hands together. Wait, that doesn't sound good. We can all practice our patience. A wild deuce. I don't know if it's going to make it to the 20 points or not. Yeah, patience is so boring. I need to blow up accounts and yeah. It's crazy that we couldn't even get 20 points of that. That's how tight it is right now. Yeah, I figured to get viewers, what you need to do is you need to blow up accounts and break your monitor. I'll do the blow up accounts thing. I won't break a monitor though. Should I just be the Gallagher of trading? Are you guys too young to know who Gallagher was? Like I'll set like a watermelon right here. Every time I lose a trade, I'll smash it. Yeah, the fruit smashing guy. Yep. Gotta get the suspenders though. I'll tell my wife we have to go shopping. I'll just buy the exact outfit that he wears and see if she catches on, if she's not watching the stream. What are those French hats called? Yeah, to the thrift store. I'd have to go to the thrift store for that, right? Let's go. I'm actually seeing if they have it on Amazon right now. Holy chop, guys. Holy chop. You have bookmark up, traded on the 15-second full port. Full port where? But where are we full porting, Willa? I don't think this Mac could handle bookmap, to be honest. New ones arriving at the end of the month, though. Getting more power. Yeah, that 20 point long got wrecked. Five-minute no tail. That actually sounds like a real thing. Oh yeah, this baby ass tail right here. It has a tail of 2 ticks. A lot of equal lows down here too. Here, let me open up paper trading so we can have fun. 1 second. Just opening paper trading. Yeah, this one right here, it's going for it. Let's see if it holds and bounces. If not, it's if it breaks this, it's going down to London low, and that's where I'll play it too. It's hanging out on VWAP. Had a feeling it was hanging out on VWAP. VWAP. VWAP, not VWAP. VWAP. It's an A. Okay, just so we're on the same page, this here is paper. I don't even have an eval bot. I've just been, if I need new accounts, I've just been buying straight to funded now. I might pick up an eval just so I can trade it with you all. But I always forget about them. And this is still testing freaking Warbucks. Man, I started this months ago. It's a 5,000 account. I need 500 to pass. I think I've only taken 7 trades or 8 trades in like 3 months on this account. Whoops. See, this is tempting here, right? Oh, as it pulls back up. But it's close to a new 15. If this is closes below here. But this new 15 starts in a minute. Yeah. Because it's looking like this is a protected swing here. Candle 2. Into a fair value gap. Rejected the 50% of the 4-hour candle. But this is like holding it up like it's friggin' strongman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you count these 2, 8, 9. It's a lot of 4-hour candles being held up. See, I'm thinking that, see, I want this, I mean, that's a lot of 15-minute candles being held up. I'm thinking trade up, then come down. But I don't know how far it might get trapped here. That's why I'm waiting for this to break and then a continuation down that low. Am I missing something on the higher time frame? 1-hour order block, that held pretty good. 2-hour gaps getting run through. No gap. That order block's holding everything up right now. So we're just practicing being patient, being boring. This is probably going to be well, it's going to be no trade day because I already switched to paper. But I might get a paper trade in. Super high risk here one. Oh no, Bitcoin. You don't basically give a 1-to-1. 2 would be in the middle of it on here. So I don't like that I would have to go through all that. And it has all these failed swings. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like that 4-hour order block could be holding everything up. Bustin', you might just have been a little bit early. That's all. This is where I start seeing it both ways, and I have to kind of sit on my hands because we have a protected swing here. Came into a fair value gap. Created a 1-2-3 swing. And then now it's looking like it wants to create another swing here. So if it closes up inside of this candle, one more retest and go. Oh, we got a ways to go on this 15-minute candle. But early projections would look something like that. Yeah, it could be a Trump dump too, right? We have Trump at 1. This 4 hours looking gross. But this 4 hour could also come all the way back up in here on the second 4 hour. But that's not till 2. What the? There we go. A nice flush. Still being held up by that 4 hour. That's crazy. Just not trusting this continuation here. It looks very good, but I don't know. So weak. See, if it was going to go, I'd want that candle to be continuing, and it's just not. Someone give NQ some coffee. Wake it up. There's just like no reason that this should be going up at all. Like news speaking wise, right? We should be dumping. Like there's no good news. There's like none. Got wiki all the 15s are too. Pretty wiki this morning. I want to short it so bad. With that daily candle. Pasta, did you re-enter this long? Because now I want to long it. That's what I've been saying. Like, we gotta swing high here, swing low here. Just trapped. 4 minutes swing low. Well, Deuce, you're still in the same long. What's your entry on the long? Are you still just going for 20 points on that long? $100 drawdown. Paper 276. Well, you're green now. See where this 15-minute close is. Looks like it's going to close inside the previous candle. Got about 40 seconds left on it. $302 target. That seems reasonable. Seems like if it wants to pop here at the end, it might get it. Right here. Yeah, it is nonsense. New 15 just opened. Let's see if it makes a tail to the downside. We want to see it hold here if it wants to keep going up. This is equilibrium of this 15-minute candle. Come here and at least sweep these ones right here. Yeah, like that. Take a stab down. There's no follow through on anything. Well, Deuce, what do you consider the macro at noon? Is it 11:50 to noon, or is it 11:50 to noon 10? Because I've seen a couple of people talk about it couple different ways. I don't really subscribe to it. Although it does make sense, right? Because you're... Yeah, okay, so you do 10 minutes and 10 prior to 10 after on the hourly. Yeah. You're forming the wick or the tail at that time, right, of the hourly. Oh, get back here. You didn't come down far enough for me. Want to take this long? Damn it. Now my paper trade is ruined. Oh, it's getting exciting over on Bitcoin. There it is. Like, where is that? 50 minute. Should have marked it. I'll take a look at that wild deuce. I wanted this to come down a lot in the sweep here. I hate when the wick is made, or the tail is made, either on the first 1 minute. For those of you joining, we're kind of in the middle of no man's land on NQ, and we think we're in a holding pattern until Trump speaks at 1. I'm not really convinced it's going to do anything but chop. We had this nice, came into the fair value gap here, created a swing high, but also created a swing low down here. So we're just ranging. We're all being patient. This is just paper. I turned off my funded accounts. I'm not going to trade this for anything but paper. And this is an eval from Warbucks, smallest eval, testing it out. But neither Bitcoin or NQ is doing anything that fun. This would have been a good long here. Just a chop though. There's the macro that, well, Deuce was talking about. It's pumping during it. See, I was looking for it to trade down somewhere in this here. Like this box here. Never did it, so I didn't jump in. Super shallow. It was only a 30-point move anyways. Jiminy crickets. Hourly's coming to a close. See what the hour, see what the hourly looks like. Oh. What pattern is this guy's? If we keep zooming out, we'll... We'll see something. Just going to invalidate this swing here. Because for this swing to really be really protected, I needed to close below here. But I usually go off the bodies. Yeah, that's an alien pattern for sure. Are they here yet? Can they fix NQ? Like, can they, like, just, you know, aliens come and say, hey, stop being dumb. They'll say, you know, let's start trending somewhere again. We've been watching your NQ for the last 20 years, and this is the dumbest price action we've seen. Can you guys fix it? Puppo's visiting. Forgot she was in here. She's sleeping on her bed behind me. People are going to start to ask, does this guy even trade? No, I don't. I never take a trade. Ever. Oh, you're going to cowboy that short? I was about to cowboy that short too. Let's do it. It's really bad. It's a really bad short. Especially with the entry I got. I don't know what I'm going to do if I lose this, though. I'll be down 98 fake dollars. Oops. Kind of wish this account was real. Started with 100,000. Close at noon and flip long. Okay. Yeah, I'm screwed on this one. It's coming from my stop. I actually want my stop a little bit higher than this. Close at noon? That's only like a minute and a half away. See, I've been testing pre-market. Not been doing too good. Had this one streak of really bang, bang, bang. I have to actually go back and test. I'm doing pretty bad pre-market. Some of these aren't pre-market. Have to forward test though. Have to forward test. Now flush it at this open in the 1 minute. I'm at 1 hour. Yeah, we could just go to sleep. It'll be a different kind of stream though. Dump it. $15-minute looks good for what? For a long or short? The 15-minute looks good for a long. Actually looks like the best for chop. Although Wild Deuces did say to go long here, right? Close it out at noon and then go long. YOLO paper trade. I'd be surprised if it got all the way to this take profit here, to be honest with you. I think maybe more like that. Almost feel like adding. If it comes up, it goes up, come back down. Yeah, there's like no way this 15-minute candle's coming all the way down here. Right? I'd be really surprised if it does. Let's just get through here. That was a pretty good reaction off that fair value gap. So normally my rules would say to close this out because that green candle made a reversal signal. But I'm just going to let it play. It's just paper. Study it. Might be able to scan this barcode here in a second. Oh, don't be dumb. Just break through that fair value gap. Pretty sure Trump is on at 1. Let's take a look at the calendar. I'll bring it into screen. Yay, Trump speaking at 1. That should be good for the market. Durable goods tomorrow. FOMC in just minutes. Corn price. That doesn't move the market too much on Thursday either. Friday might move the market. Can we invert this fair value gap? Thank you. Just keep going though. Okay, I'm going to protect it. Because this is what I normally would do here. I'm going to protect this. This should be a breakaway. And if it's not, then it's just going to chop back up. Because we have all this junk right here to get through. Right, we have all this garbage here. So I don't need to reverse and coming all the way back up and be stuck in negative PL for an hour and a half. Well, I could just re-enter at a different time. Not really breakaway like I wanted either. I'll trail it a little bit further down. I don't like how it balanced already. This wiki. Might stop me out of profit here. I'm gonna trail it even tighter. It's gonna say that that's the wick forming on this 1 minute. Because this is a reversal area. The first reversal area could be. And if I get stopped out of profit like I'm there, stopped out in profit, it's not going to hurt my feelings. Because it could. If it makes a continuation pattern down here. But this is what I was afraid of, it just reversing here. Especially nearing the end of the 15-minute. It needs to make a tail. And it's done that. Bitcoin's doing the thing. You may be shocked to learn this, but that lands on a 786, that fair value gap. And that's a lot of times why I don't pull fibs, because you can see it. That fair value gap is 786, just thereabouts. Depends on where you're pulling this one. $7.05 for that fair value gap. Okay guys, I'm gonna call it here. We got a little baby trade in on paper. Yay. Looks like it's gonna pump back up here. Appreciate you guys hanging. If you're new, hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate it. Nothing to sell you. No affiliate, no Discord, no courses. We're just a bunch of friends having fun. Appreciate y'all. See y'all tomorrow and see you in Discord. Peace.